Welcome back to the Coins and Connections podcast, where we explore all things books, business, and bullshit. My favorite bees. I'm your host, the fairy coin mother, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Now let's get into today's episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the Coins and Connections podcast, episode 138. Today we're going to talk about exploring my inner child. Today's episode is a mini, and I want to start it off with this quote. Much of the healing of the world begins in healing the inner child who rarely, if ever, got to come out and play. Vince Gilman. On Tuesday, some simple words really flush me. I've been super emotional, in and out of a brief depression stint. I've gotten to the point where I can feel when I'm falling deep into depression, and my husband is really good at helping me pull myself out, giving me the space I need and the comfort I need to come out of it. Obviously, my kids still don't understand it. I have changed my medication, but on Tuesday, my friend sent me a message and she just simply said, "How is your spirit?" I cried like a baby. I had sent her a text message and said, "I was just thinking about you." And I might as well call her my spiritual sister, because at this point, we really feed off of our energy no matter how far apart we are. We always connect. We always hang out. We always love on each other. We always give words of wisdom and just boost each other up. And I love her for that. We all have different type of friends for different reasons. So I'm just so excited that G is in my life. And sometimes we just need kind words or to know someone cares. So I just want to tell you, G, thank you for being such a good friend and to be always being exactly what I need. So I was able to overcome my brief anxiety attack that I was having and replace my somber with a smile. And I was able to laugh. We talked about the inner child. So I was like, all right, I'm about to order me a jar of pickle eggs. And then I turned on Disney Plus and I watched Princess and the Frog. And my whole mood shift. And I woke up today in a happier mood. I sent her a picture of me smiling. I went and ran some errands. Normally, I don't really get out the house, but I got dressed and I left the house and I ran my errands and I treated myself to some Starbucks. And a lot of these things may seem like it's small to you, but normally I don't personally just get out the house for pleasure or for myself. It's normally I'm picking up kids, dropping kids off, grocery shopping, getting stuff just for everybody but myself. And I need to do better in taking care of myself and stop neglecting myself. But when you're so used to putting everybody first, sometimes it's just a little bit harder. So I was able to shower myself with the love and respect that I needed for me. So for me, it's my self-care was getting dressed, doing my hair, putting on a cute outfit, actually wearing jeans instead of leggings, and just getting out the house and getting some fresh air. So I always listen to like audiobooks and things like that and podcasts, which always put me in a good mood. It helps me to laugh. So today I may watch another Disney movie, and once my pickle eggs arrive today, I'm probably going to eat half the jar. And that is feeding my inner child. I've also found some other candies that I enjoyed while I was young that I'm going to order off of Amazon as well, just to continue feeding my inner child, because there is something about growing up in the South that I miss dearly and that my kids don't have and that they won't get to experience. When we were growing up, we had a village. We had cousins, aunts, uncles, so many people. And with my kids being military kids, they don't get that closeness of a family like that. Their village changes every couple of years. I think by exploring my inner child and feeding that, I can bring something to them as well. So in closing of this mini episode where we're talking about exploring my inner child, I am going to end by staying open-minded and listening to the needs and desires of your inner child, you open yourself up to the possibilities of anything. Kim Ha Campbell. So until next time, guys. Thank you so much for listening and subscribing to the Coins and Connections podcast. Don't forget to leave a review and join the conversation over on Facebook and Instagram using the hashtag Coins and Connections. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cinquanta Cox-Smith and at Coins and Connections. You can shop all merch at www.coinsandconnections.com. I love you more than I love this podcast. Peace.